Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a profile picture on Facebook without cropping. First, you have to open your browser. Yes, you have to log into your Facebook account with your browser to do this. First, open your browser and search for facebook.com and you will find Facebook, and then it may ask for to log into your account. Then you have to log into your account. Then you will find the three-line button at the top right side, and then you will find the profile and click on it. Now click on your image. Now let's upload a photo as our profile picture. Now you have to click photo library or take a photo or choose file, whatever you want. I'm going to go with photo library, and I want to add a photo like this. I'm going to add this as the profile picture of my profile, a Facebook ID. Then here, as you can see, there is no crop on this picture. As you can see, it is on its actual size. You can just simply click on done to upload this photo without cropping on your Facebook profile. Simply click on done, and now here you can see it has a just simple circle crop. It is the default frame of Facebook. You can change this just because it is default by Facebook and it is a frame. Then click on update, and it will take some time, and here you can see it is now updated. And if you click on it, then if you want to see your profile picture, then you can see it is original. It has the original size. It is not cropped, but it has a circle. Sorry, here it is. It has the circle frame on Facebook profile of your profile just because of it is the default frame of Facebook itself. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.